As a first-time sticker maker, one of the problems that might come up is smears and smudges on your labels or stickers, especially on the black colors. You get a little bit of water on there and bam, there goes your stickers. An option recommended online might be to use Krylon or some UV spray on top. But how well does this actually work? Here's what you might expect if you're planning to use this UV spray as an option. So I'm testing it out by applying thin layers, giving it multiple coats. When it dries, it has this rough, coarse texture on top after spraying about 2 or 3 times. For this one had about 2 coats. It actually works without the smudging. But you can see after running into the water, if you don't give it a good layer, especially between the coat, it'll definitely wash off easily. Compared to this one, which had time to dry and multiple coats on top, this one ended up being more waterproof. And there you go. The UV spray does work, and it does actually seal off the smudges quite well. I hope this helps you out, especially for your labels or sticker making. Until next time, bye!